Hello everyone. Today we shall see an overview of data structures. What is a data structure? A data structure is a particular way of organizing data in a computer so that it can be used effectively. Some popular linear data structures are arrays, stacks, queues, and linked lists. Array is a data structure used to store homogeneous elements at contiguous locations. That is, same type of elements in sequential locations. Size of an array must be provided before storing data. For example, let us say we want to store marks of all the students in a class. We can use an array to store them. All marks can be accessed by simply traversing the array. Stack. A stack or LIFO, last in, first out, is an abstract data type that serves as a collection of elements with two principal operations: push, which adds an element to the collection, and pop, which removes the element that was added. In stack, both the operations of push and pop takes place at the same end, that is at the top of the stack. It can be implemented by using both array and linked list. For example, stacks are used in cases where we have to reverse a word, check for balanced parentheses, and in editors where the word you type the last is the first to be removed when you use an undo operation. Queue. A queue or FIFO, first in, first out, is an abstract data type that serves as a collection of elements with two principal operations: enqueue, the process of adding an element to the collection where the element is added from the rear end, and dequeue, the process of removing the first element that was added where the element is removed from the front side. It can be implemented by using both array and linked list. Example: queue, as the name says, is the data structure built according to the queues of bus stop or train, where the person who is standing in front of the queue is the first one to get the ticket. So any situation where resources are shared among multiple users and served on first come, first served basis are called queues. Examples include CPU scheduling and disk scheduling. Linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure like arrays, where each element is a separate object. Each element of a list comprises of two items: the data and the reference to the next node. There are three types of linked list. The first one, singly linked list. In this type of linked list, every node stores the address or reference of the next node in the list, and the last node has the next address or reference as null. Doubly linked list. In this type of linked list, there are two references associated with each node. One of the reference points to the next node and one to the previous node. Advantage of this data structure is that we can traverse in both the directions. Circular linked list is number 3. Circular linked list is a linked list where all nodes are connected to form a circle. There is no null at the end. A circular linked list can be a singly linked list or a doubly circular linked list. Advantage of this data structure is that any node can be made as a starting node. This is useful in the implementation of circular queue in linked list. Thank you.